Hi guys, welcome back to Ms.TeesDollroom, and today we are going to take a look at this Our Generation living room set. It was made in 2023 by Ms.TeesDollroom Incorporated. Our Generation is a brand that is exclusively found in Target stores. So we're going to take a look at this, and I have to confess that I have recently been intrigued by all of the wonderful furnishings and fashions even, and accessories and appliances and things like that that they make for the 18-inch doll genre. And I just wonder if they can afford to sell these things and make them at this level of quality for 18-inch doll. Why is it so hard for us to get true 1 scale 6 props and furniture and accessories that are sold in stores that we can just walk into a Walmart or Target and take advantage of and just walk out with, rather than having to scour the internet, put down deposits, wait months for shipping from overseas and all these things. So I said, you know what? I've been watching my Instagram, and a lot of you guys are doing some fabulous things with your toys and with, you know, just inspiration from other brands and ideas. So I said, I'm going to try this myself. So I finally just pulled the plug and I went in there and I bought this set. And if you use the Target app, you get some really great deals on things if you purchase them through the app. And for this, I think I got 25% off. So I paid like, I think 21 bucks for the set. So I was really pleased. You have this nice like mauve pink sofa, you have a rug, you have a pillow, you have a TV, a plant, a stand, just a whole lot of stuff for 20 bucks. And I'm like, it's a little oversized for Barbie and fashion royalty, but that's okay. We're going to make it work. So I want to take a look at this for my own collection, just to satisfy my own curiosities. Alright guys, so I have some scissors and we're going to go in and we're going to get this out of the box. Got a little tape here on the side. Just use it like this. Oh, and I want to give a shout out. I think it was My Black Doll Life. I think that's where I saw this on her Instagram account. And she uses a lot of this furniture for, I think she has some 18-inch dolls. But she also has smart dolls. So people are using these furniture sets and accessory sets for their smart dolls. I also know some people who collect Tanner and Jean. They often use the furniture and accessories for this size. I've been watching this for a long time, and because, I don't know, I think the industry, Barbie's doing a lot, and it's very competitive, and to be honest, I just don't feel lit to have everything like I used to anymore. So I'm kind of like trying to revive my interest in my doll collecting by using other things that I wouldn't have normally considered before. So here's a lovely little plant and a purple planter, very well made. It's very cute like that. I will use that in my doll diorama. It will go nicely with the other plants that I've made and collected over the years. And so here's a cute little picture that they have for advertising in here on how you could use this set. This is supposed to be a rug, but it's giving me more like a throw, like they have it on the couch in the first place. It has bright pink and off-white gray, dark gray, light gray, pink, and a little beige in there with a little fringe. That's very cute. A gray, light gray fur pillow. That's really cute. And here we have the furniture. This is one solid piece of furniture. This is like MDF board and I'm not sure if the legs are cork or they're wooden, but it's heavy, it's solid. So there you go. For all the ASMR people, I'll do that for you. Same thing with the plant. Hope you get something satisfying out of that. And then we have the TV. And it's heavy plastic, quite solid. And let's see if we can change the picture. Even if you couldn't, you could always take a picture that you cut out and just use some poster putty or something like that and attach something different to it if you wanted to. It has a piece of tape on it. I'm not sure the sticky plastic, what's going on with it. There we go. Let's get that off of there. And you could also paint this. I think it would probably be pretty good to paint it or cover it with some contact paper. That would be an option. It's a cute little picture there on the TV. And then our last piece, and this is pretty heavy too. This is like MDF board, wood. It's very heavy. So this is supposed to be the TV stand. So that's how they're using it here, as the TV stand. So you get all of those pieces. The sofa, the pillow, the TV stand, and the plant, and the rug slash throw for $21. And that included tax after I used the Target app and got my discount. So this is a really great deal. So I'm not mad at that. A whole suite of furniture for 21 bucks. Now the seat is really deep here. So I'm going to show you one of my made to move Barbie guys sitting on the sofa. So his legs does not hang off. It's quite low to the ground, which for me is interesting because the 18-inch dolls are so tall that they're literally sitting there with their legs straight out anyway. So it was interesting that they would make it this low for a doll that tall. But if you put a pillow behind this guy, it works. So it's working. It's deep. Just put some extra throw pillows back there and you'll be fine. So I'm going to get some wall panels. I use the art canvas panels for backgrounds a lot of times. So I'm going to get a couple of those, throw them up, and show you what it looks like in a very quick diorama. Okay guys, so we're back with my 3-pack 16 by 20 art canvas panels, and I have used these a whole lot in the last probably maybe 6 or 7 years, just to make quick walls. They're very sturdy. You can paint them. They don't warp. And you can get this pack at Walmart. 3 comes in this pack for $7, basically $6.84 or something like that. So you can't beat it. And like I said, it takes paint well, because that's what it was designed for, is to paint on it. So if you want to paint it a solid color or what have you, I have several of these. I don't throw these away. I end up usually throwing away my foam board that I have used or made walls from, because they bend, they break, they warp. These never do that. To this day, I have yet to paint one of these art canvas panels and have it warp. So they're a staple. I have them in several different colors. So anytime I want to throw up a little mark scene to take some pictures, they're always there. They're sturdy. They don't break. They don't bend. So I like that. So that's your diorama tip for the day. So let's get these out of the pack. Alright, so they're 16 by 20, so they're pretty good height. I don't like having to crop my photos because my backgrounds are not big enough, so I'd rather have a background that's too big. and then crop it down rather than trying to squeeze or manipulate things in a shot because my background wall is not big enough. So that's just one of my pet peeves. So we're going to leave these white, and I'm going to have the 16-inch side go vertically here, and then give me just a second. What I usually do is just use some tape and just join them on the sides like this to make a room. That's how I usually do it. So let me get that together, and then we're going to make a little room, a little background here for the dolls. Okay, so I'm just joining these by putting a little bit of this brown paper tape on the back. Yes, you may rip off some of the backing of it. I have done that, but most of the time when I do this, I just leave them folded up like so. And it works good enough for me. All right. Okay, guys, so I pulled together a few things just to show you how you can quickly use the set and these art panels to throw together a little diorama. So I found this little rug here that I got from Target several years ago. It's got some lint on it, but hey, we're going to go for that. And then another discovery, I found some Fashion Royalty pillows. They're not thick enough or deep enough, but you get the idea. You can put some pillows on there to kind of make your doll sit forward. Now, while I think the Fashion Royalty and Ham's dolls, particularly Ham's dolls, will look better seated on it. Okay, so we have Poppy Parker's friend Darla sitting on the sofa, just to show you the scale of it. Then we have classic Made to Move Barbie. Not too bad. Put her feet up and she's lounging. And then we have Kieran, Fashion Royalty. Ham's. Pretty good size sofa for him as well. It is kind of low to the ground, but that's okay. It's not perfect, but it's good. And I think for the money, it's excellent. And of course, my favorite size doll on this is going to be the 14-inch Moxie Teens. This is such a gorgeous doll. She belonged to my niece. I bought her for her a long time ago, and I was unpacking some things, and I found her, and I looked at her like grayish hazel eyes and the lashes. Beautiful. I need to get her some wigs, but other than that, I think she's gorgeous just as she is, and she's the perfect size for this furniture. And it makes me want to create an environment just for her size doll, so I might be in trouble with this, but this is perfect. I just love it. So I'm going to throw together this little scene, and then we'll be done with our review. Okay, so here's our TV stand. We're going to put against the wall here. And our TV. I found some extra plants. Got these from Target a few years back. So I'll tuck that over in the corner. And then I'll use the existing plant that came with the doll. Excuse me, that came with the playset. We'll put this one here on this side. And then I'm going to use the rug as a rug this time. That here. And then of course I have the pillow, and I found these FR pillows that came from their furniture set, so I'll just stick those in the back for a little pop of color along with the pillow that it came from. And this is our little set. This is our little diorama set that we can sit the dolls in, pretend they're watching TV, and take some pictures. And I think all in all, $21 and some change for the set, and that included tax using the Target app. $6.87 I believe for the 3-pack of the 16 by 20 canvas art panels, and a rug that I had laying around here already. So it's not bad. I think that was a pretty good idea. I'm glad I explored this. I just wanted to say that this is very solid. Love the soft plushy feel to it. You can squeeze it, but the foam is really sturdy. And I think because of the MDF board and the legs, it's going to hold up a really long time. You could probably sew a slip cover for this and change the look of it. Put different pillows on there. But for $21 and it fits, it's workable. I won't say it fits. It's workable for my size dolls, which are predominantly 1/6 scale dolls. It was a really good buy, and I enjoyed it, and I can't wait to take some more pictures. I probably will change the TV screen, but other than that, I have no complaints. I love it, and I look forward to exploring more of their furniture and using them with my size dolls. So if you like this video, guys, you enjoyed it as much as I did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try, I'm not going to promise anymore, I'm going to try to share more about what's going on in my doll life. So thank you for this episode of what's going on in my doll room. Take care. Happy Thanksgiving to you, and goodbye.